Hello my lovelies, welcome back. In today's video I will make this spring vibes eye look, and if you want to see how I do it, just keep on watching. Okay, as you can see, I've done already one eye off camera. I already made my eyebrows and I've prepared my eyelids. So the palette I'm using today is from Revolution and it's called We Are Love from the series Forever Flawless, and this is how it looks. It's really colorful and really nice palette. Okay, so the first shade I'm going in, it's actually called Amore. It's this one here, this pretty pink, and I'm having, by the way, this palette is pretty powdery, but it's nice and pigmented. So I'm starting in my outer V with a smaller brush and I'm tapping in. Okay, next I'm taking a flat brush and I'm taking the shade GRA, this one here. It's pretty pink and it's a shimmer. And I'm going with this color till almost the whole eyelid, till the inner corner. Okay, so next I'm taking a more fluffy brush and I'm gonna take shade, I hope I'm not gonna butcher this, Milosk, this pretty purple here, and I'm gonna blend from the outer corner till the inner corner, these two shades. See, there's a lot of fallout in the pan, as you can see. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back with that smaller brush and in the shade Amore again, that bright pink. I'm gonna build this color up again. And next I'm gonna go with this gorgeous sparkly silver, Gale. I don't want to butcher it, so I have no idea how is it pronounced, but it's this nice silver. And I'm gonna use my finger. It's really creamy, and also as a heads up, you'll have a lot of fallout on your face, so that's why I prefer to do it my eyes first. So I'm just gonna tap with my finger in the center of my eyelid. Okay, need to wipe this off because it's gonna be all over my face if I don't. And next I will take that fluffy brush that I blend in and I'll go back with this purpley color again. And I take the smaller brush again and I'll go back in the hot pink called Amore. Next, I'm gonna put my brush. I'm taking a pencil type of brush and I'm gonna use the shade Akapi. Is this gorgeous gold, and I'm gonna use this on my brow bone. I like to go with the colors upper than my crease because I have hooded eyes, so see what works better for you. For me, I've discovered that this is better. I'm taking a small flat brush and I'm gonna use the shade from here called Love, this purple. And I'm going in my lower lash area. Next, I have this eye pencil, and this is called Purple, and this is from Rimmel London. I'm gonna do my waterline with it. So I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna put some lashes on and I'll come back. Okay guys, so this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye!